The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video, I'm gonna let you know that how you can do digital marketing through WhatsApp. So without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. So at first, if you don't know how to collect your targeted audience phone number, you can follow my previous videos, where in my channel I have already shared a lot of methods and tricks the way you can collect your target audience phone number and emails according to different address and locations and niches. Anyway, so I am just skipping this part and now directly let me take you to the second step, what I'm going to show you now. But if you still want a separate video on how to collect your target audience number, so you can just comment below in this video, so that I will make another video to show you that how you can collect your target audience number. Okay, so today here we are going to promote an offer from ClickBank. So affiliate account in ClickBank, or you can get any affiliate account or any affiliate product. Anyway, so as we are here going to promote an e-business offer from ClickBank, so here you can promote any offer, but here I'm gonna make this filter with gravity. So you know that which product gravity is good, we can promote that offer without any risks, and we will be able to know that this product is performing well in the market. So okay, this product is advertising anyway. So let's check out that offer, what will make our traffic, our visitors, attract our visitors and make them click. So okay, this offer looks good, that get paid to use Facebook, Twitter or YouTube, and its gravity is also good. And okay, so we are going to promote that offer. So we just take the tracking link, and here we are going to get some information of that product from their affiliate page. Okay, this information will help us to create a sales letter, what we can send to our customer list. Or you can collect your description or your product information like this one. So you don't have to promote the exact offer or exact product that I'm showing you now. You can promote the offer what you like to promote. Here I'm going to promote this offer, so it's not mandatory to promote same offer for all. Okay, anyway, so after you get the information from your affiliate page, then you can collect any single image from online related to your offer what you are going to promote. So here as my offer is related to make money, so I am just at image. So now you have to save your phone numbers or names like this one, what I'm going to save it right now. So I got these numbers like this in this format, so I'm just making this good for the software what I'm going to use now. Now let's save this like this one, side by side, and then okay, delete the all blank fields, and then save it as comma limited. Okay, CSV comma limited. Okay, now wait. Okay, all looks good, and here we can just save it. Yes, and you can save it anywhere as you want, but make sure you should save that file as CSV comma limited. Okay, so I just make this a name for WhatsApp file number. Okay, then save. Okay, yes, and now here come to your Google Chrome web browser, and then go for your web store. So you can go directly from search and Chrome store, or you can just go for menu and extension and then Chrome store. Then here search for bug WhatsApp. So after you search with that keyword, now this will give you an extension called WhatsApp send bug message. It's an extension. You can see the reviews. All the reviews are absolutely good, so you all need to just add this extension to your Chrome browser. So you can see that our extension is now added to our browser, so you can just pin it. And now here you have to visit WhatsApp from web. So just simply type WhatsApp web, and you will see web.whatsapp.com, and here you have to log in with your WhatsApp account. So I have already logged in with that account. So again, I just log out and log in with my phone, and now I have logged in with this. And here you have to upload that file what you save, CSV file. So upload, you can see here upload CSV, so upload that CSV file. And here in message you have to create a sales letter, as we just collect all the information. So make a full sales letter with that. And here you can use bit.ly for the tracking link, and you are saying hi plus name. So in the name, your client, your visitors names are going to be a separate. So this will make our all message into a separate message. And after all done, you have to click on prepare and then send. So one by one this will send all the messages to your customer list, but make sure all the numbers are valid. So you should have a valid what's a validator. And if you don't have any validator, so sometimes they maybe ban your number while doing this. So make sure, okay, this will work. You can see this is a valid number, and this message goes to our customer, all the messages. So one by one this will all this will gonna send all the messages, all the offer to your customer list. But make sure you use, okay, horrible, some internet issue with my phone and it's showing like this. Anyway, so what you can do, just make sure you have both internet in PC and in your phone, and you have to save all the numbers in your phone, in your contact number, so that when you send message them, when you send the message, this will recognize them as your contact. So this way you can prevent from ban. Okay, make sure you see the last instruction what I show in this video. Okay, that's all. Thanks for today. I hope you like this video. Make sure